students, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial. So in this tutorial we will discuss about this string buffer delete caret and delete in the particular index and offset, in between of that, how it should happen. So we can discuss here now. This see here, for that we'll discuss, we need to create one new project. On new project I am creating here, that is sp delete project name called sp delete. Then here I am creating one package com.delete. Then I am creating one new class, that class name called as sb delete along with the public static void main. I am creating this here. Okay, now here I am adding this one string buffer sb equal to new string buffer. Okay, new string buffer, sorry for the space, it should not be the space. Within this, what I am writing here is Java 1.8 program. Just I am writing the example as like this. Then here first I want to print the value, that is I want to delete some value at some position. So that is I want to delete the value which is there in a position 4 or 5. Here what should I write? sp dot, I am deleting this, right? Delete caret. See, delete caret, what I am deleting here? 4th position. See, I am running this. What happened? What it is deleted? See, here in a 4th position. In a 4th position, what is the value here now? Space. That space has removed here. See, instead of that I will write 3. See what happens now. See, A is missing like this. So that is this char deleting this particular position. Like same, I want to delete one more type of delete is there here already that we discussed here, that is a system.out.println. Here what should I write here? sp dot delete. See here, delete for this start and end both. I need to give this start and end. Starting I am giving as a, sorry, first I need to write this delete of start 3 to 8. I want to delete 3 to 8 characters. Then I am running this. See here, what is the output of this? See, 3 means it should be deleted from the 4th character to 7th character. Then I change this to 12. See what happens now. See here, like this. This is how we are deleting using this. Means either you can delete based on a particular position, or you can delete in between of that. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.